Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. If this is your first time coming to my channel to watch my video, thank you so much for clicking on the video, and please just take a few minutes, it will even take a minute, a second, and click the subscribe button, and also make sure you click the notification so that you get all the notification when I bring out a video, which is quite often, and I always bring out valuable information. And of course, if you want one-on-one help with your hair, you can always look at the first comment, the pinned comment, or in the description for more information about that. So today, one of the questions that I got was in regards to how this lady wanted to know how she can create a hair routine that allows her hair to bring volume to her hair and also retain the length. So I thought while I moisturize my hair that my daughter did for me, I can talk about that. So first of all, when it comes to creating a routine for your hair, especially one that is geared towards building volume in your hair, you have to realize that the amount of hair that you have already in your hair follicles, that is the amount of thickness that you can ever have, right? So if let's say that when you were little your hair was really full, there's a tendency that you could get that fullness back, but it has to do with a lot of different things, especially like your age, your health, the way you care for your hair. Those kind of things can actually make your hair thinner or even make it thicker depending on which spectrum you go by. So first, know that if your hair is constantly breaking, so I'm starting off with moisturizing my hair with some water. Water is very important, so using water to moisturize your hair, and also adding products after using that water, like a moisturizing cream and stuff. I'm not gonna put a cream on my hair today because I already did that yesterday, but I just want to show you that when you have a routine, start off with your routine with creating a routine that has moisture to it. Moisture allows your hair not to break a lot. So every time you moisturize your hair, don't just grab an oil, because oil is not a moisturizer. I want you to grab water and then grab a moisturizing cream. You can use an oil also. So that's one thing. Now also adding to that hair routine is having a good oil, right? So there are different oils that you can have that promote hair growth, different oils that you have that can also help with thickening your hair. Some oils, the most common ones are of course your Jamaican black castor oil that it's quite thick, so you can add this with other oils. You can do hot oil treatments with it before you wash your hair. You can also add it to your conditioners. If your conditioners doesn't already have it, you can also use it on a regular, like on your edges, on areas of your hair that needs thickening according to your hair density, according to your hair volume and density itself. So other oils that I've found useful is the Sunny Owl. This is one that I rave about. Sunny Owl rosemary mint oil. It helped me to grow out my my balding spot. That also works great. Now this is a new oil that I just started using, the Taylor Grow Thick oil. Now this oil is this is the viscosity, so it's said to help thicken the hair. With any oils that you use that says they do this, they do that, consistency is important. So when you create a routine, make sure that you are consistent in using that product to see how well it works. If you're not consistent in anything in life, you're not going to see progress. In addition, for a routine that is geared towards volume and hair retention, if you're someone that uses heat a lot, I will tell you to reduce the amount of time you're using heat. And the reason being that heat has a way of, it helps to straighten the hair. And when you want your hair to be full and stuff, you don't want anything that can cause like an hindrance to the hair. in terms of maybe breaking the hair. And since we're adding moisture, if you do not use heat very well, you might abuse it, especially if you're someone that when you're using the heat, if you choose to use heat in your hair, when you're using the heat, what you want to do is that you want to use a blow dryer that allows you to do tension blow drying. So you can take sections of your hair, pull it a little bit, and then run the blow dryer like this. Don't use the comb nozzle of the blow dryer. What you're gonna do is just run the heat through your hair like that. I'll show you a demonstration in an upcoming video, so keep watching. Make sure you subscribe so that you can get that video when it comes out. It's coming out really soon. So you just do the tension. It's known as the tension method. So, or you can do other things like using threading to stretch out your hair. There's so many different methods out there that you can use to stretch out your hair and helps you eliminate using heat all the time. Other things that you can do is look for products like shampoos and hair products that promote volume. So this is one. This is not sponsored. This is one that I just got. I've not yet started using it. It's from Revere. Revere blow dryer is a good blow dryer that does also put tension in the hair, because it just sucks the hair and allows the blow dryer to do its job. You are not waking to your hair, so that doesn't, I've not found that to damage my hair at all. So the Revere has a new line, and they have this line where they have the shampoo, they have the conditioner. You can see this is right out of the package, and they have the leave-in conditioner. And the purpose for this is to boost length and density and fullness. So it's kind of weird that we're talking about it now, and I just got this product, so I'll be testing it out and giving you my feedback. So keep a watch out for that, right? So those are some things that you can do. Now, in addition to products you can use, hair routines and all that stuff, other things that you should want to incorporate into your hair routine is also eating healthy. Make sure that you're eating good foods that are rich in vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C, all these other ingredients like yam, salmon, almonds, nuts. Foods that are good for hair. Biotin, foods that are rich in biotins. Can you take supplements? It all depends on you. For some people, supplement works great. For other people, it doesn't work great. So you just have to do what you feel will work great for you. In addition to that, make sure you're drinking your water, exercise. Try and find ways to reduce stress. If you have a lot of stress in your life, I will encourage you to find ways to reduce it. So overall, those are some tips I'll tell you. Just know that in terms of fullness, thickness, genetic plays a huge factor in it. So if you're at an age where you're dealing with menopause and stuff, just know that in those kind of cases, you might want to see a doctor and just talk to them, because as we go through the changes as women, we tend to lose our hair. So look for products that have DHT blockers in it. So like doing coffee rinses, black tea rinses, all that stuff, those can help also. But if you have to talk to a doctor, look for ingredients like saw palmetto in the ingredient. Some people also go towards Ayurvedic herbs to help them out with the fullness. So I hope that answers your question. If you have more questions for me, drop them in the comment area and I'll answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.